So everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Barda compilation because why not? Hindi pwedeng magpapatalo tayo for today's video sa mga kampo ng demonyo. Hindi pwedeng magpapatalo tayo sa mga kampo ng demonyo. Kaya pala hindi maamin-amin for today's video kung ano ang totoong real score. Chares! May unfinished business pala. Dapat pala ang thumbnail ko, Ginoo, may hinihintay. Chares! May bumulong. May bumulong for today's video. Pero hintayin lang natin ang what do you call this? Kung ano ang ibinulong sa akin for today's video. Malay mo, baka mamaya madulas ako dito for today's video. Diba? Malay nyo, may bumulong for today's video at pabor sa atin yon. Siyempre, ngayon si Jim Panot, gagawa na naman yan ng istorya for today's video para lang naman masira na naman yung vibe natin. Ganyan yan, pag masaya tayo, sisirain niya yung kasiyahan natin. Akala niya naman talaga nagmamatter siya sa amin. Oo, Jim, hindi ka nagmamatter sa amin. Bakit, KG, patuloy mo pa din siyang pinupuksa sa channel mo? Gusto ko lang. Gusto ko lang talaga na puksain siya for today's video. Diba? Kasi kung ano-ano yung mga pinagsasabi niya sa amin for today's video ng mga defender, kami ang titirahin mo mga defender because natatakot ka na baka pag hindi kami tumigil, katulad ng nangyayari ngayon, is wala ka ng views. Ganun talaga yun, dear. Maling-mali ka talaga eh. Maling-mali kang yudi puta ka eh. Maling-mali ka sa ginawa mo for today's video ngayon. Pati ang mga Barda stan and D-stan galit sa ginagawa mo for today's video. Humanda ka talaga, dear. Sinasabi ko sa iyo. Basta ang importante talaga, masaya ako for today's video kasi may unfinished business. Doon na lang tayo dumikit sa unfinished business for today's video. Bakit, KJ, kailangan na bang tapusin? It's either pwedeng tapusin or pwedeng ituloy. Ginoo, umaasa pa? Chares. Grabe yung itsura ko doon for today's video. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. I really don't know kung this one is naka-private kay Madam Barda United. Pero ituloy natin to, ha? Baka naman sabihin na naman nila, ano na naman to?
Kasi although this is an old...
Wait. May ano
So,
kasi...
gawin ko lang to ng content.
May content si Madam Barda United. Baka sabihin na naman nila, tawag nito, sabihin na naman ni Jim, dinilit na naman to ni Ma'am Barda United. 'Di ba? Hindi niya alam, naka-private. Diyos ko, bobo. Bobo ka, Jim. O, tinan mo ngayon, nawala na naman siya. After niya i-content yun, nawala na naman siya. Kasi ganyan yan, tandaan nyo yan ha. Once na may madibang kay Jim, isang araw titigil yan para makalimutan ng mga viewers niya kung anong ka-fake news ang ginawa niya. Tapos gagawa na naman ulit siya ng bago. Hindi ka tumulad sa akin, araw-araw ko may content. Pito-pito. Anyways, try natin to.
Kasi although this is... So, gawin ko lang to ng content, kasi although this is an old issue already, kasi medyo nakapag-move on na tayo. The Sobra Cafe posted a recent video of their Molito branch, kaya sabi ko, actually, nasa draft ko lang to, tapos kasi, di ba, ang dami-daming issue about, Blue Water interview, David's birthday, then the wedding of the century of Barbie, kaya medyo napabayaan ko. Pero gusto ko lang siya balikan, just so we can move on and set it straight na lang just before we move on. At kaya ko lang nga ito
ganyan dapat ang ang content creator, yung tipong hindi ka mapalagay pag hindi mo natapos. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Barda United, matagal. Ganyan dapat yung ini-enlighten mo yung situation, wina-widen mo yung isip ng viewers mo and everything. Para maka-move on tayo. Hindi rin katulad kay Jim Panot na wala dito. Hindi niya na alam kung saan siya magpo-focus kay Alex Manalang ba? O paninira ba kay David? Or kikiligin siya kay Alex Manalang at David? O ang support niya kay Barbie? Di ba? Naalala nyo, sinasabi ko palagi yan, ang istorya niya, wala dito. Unlike talaga sa amin ng mga Defender Barda. Kung fake news peddler kami, dapat ang atake namin katulad kay sino to? Kay Jim Panot. Ang istorya niya, wala dito. Pero sa amin kasi, continuous. You know what I mean? Iniisa-isa, dinadissect, ina-explain kung may issue man. Kung wala, idinood, kilig-kilig. Diba?
ulit kasi nga nag-post ang Sobra Cafe.
Ulitin
So
din
gawin ko lang
natin.
to ng content kasi although this is an old issue already kasi medyo nakapag-move on na tayo. But the Sobra Cafe posted a recent video of their Molito branch. Kaya sabi ko, actually nasa draft ko lang to. Tapos kasi 'di ba ang dami-daming issue about
Oo.
Blue Water interview, David's
Oo.
birthday, then the
Inuuna
wedding
mo lang, ma'am, kung
of the
anong
century
ano.
of Barbie. Kaya medyo
Tama.
napabayaan ko. Pero gusto ko lang siya balikan just so we can move on and set it straight na lang just before we move on. At kaya
Okay,
ko lang
go.
nga ito inungkat ulit kasi nga nag-post ang Sobra Cafe ng
Na?
kanilang institutional or promotional video on Sobra Cafe Molito. At
Okay.
ito ang post ng Sobra Cafe ang nag-trigger sa akin na sabihin na there's a possibility na yung photo ni Pinote na kumakain si David and Alex na nakatalikod, there's a chance that it is edited.
Edited.
Bakit ko nasabi yun? This is the video posted by Sobra Cafe, dated as June 21, no? 2026. Ito
Okay.
yung video nila. If you notice, doon po sa foreground nung outdoor nila, wala pong French cafe chairs, no? Wala siyang French. Ano yung French cafe chairs? Ang French cafe or tinatawag nilang Paris cafe chairs ay yung nakikita niyo dyan na parang rattan woven and checkered siya. Yan, no? Nasa likod nila David at ni Alex. However, the June 21, 2026 post of Sobra Cafe Molito didn't have those chairs at the back of
Iba.
where Alex and David was
Wait.
seated.
Okay.
And even a photo we downloaded from July's 2022 shows that it's consistent. The outdoor of Molito
Oo nga,
Sobra Cafe doesn't have those French cafe chairs even from in 2026 or 2022. So meaning from 2022 to 2026,
Ganon.
Sobra Cafe Molito branch don't have those French
French
cafe
cafe.
chairs. Ang tanong, bakit biglang nagka-French cafe chair dyan, di ba? So,
Okay.
so meaning that was edited, that portion of the French cafe. So, bakit nilagay yan sa likod ni David and Alex? And I assume it is because they wanted to cover the bottom part of Alex. Kasi baka naka-half body ulit siya. Baka it's edited. Baka lang naman. Kayo na humusga. Comparing two photos, the one of May 30, nasabi nila na kumain si Alex sa Molito, that's May 30, 2026, to the one of 2022, shows also, in the background, there
Very
were two
chismosa
people.
ako.
Yung 2026 photo, there were two people in the background wearing red and blue t-shirt. And the 2022 photo also shows that there are two people at the background wearing red and blue or black t-shirt. So, kayo na po magsabi sa akin, what are the chances of a 2022 photo and a 2026 photo having the same two people? Actually, magkaiba yung tao pero what are the chances of having two people at the background wearing the same red t-shirt and a dark or blue or dark or black t-shirt? And two people, no? Nagkataon dalawang tao pareho at naka-red and dark t-shirt yung dalawa. So, ano ba yung chances nun? That a 2022 and a 2026 image will have the same two people, probably different people, but what are the odds that there will be two people in the background wearing a red and a dark t-shirt in two different years? Yun lang naman na po ang gusto kong linawin na there's a big likelihood that this photo was edited considering the circumstances that we discovered. Maliban dyan, we also noted a few details na pinost ko na dati, specifically yung hair ni Alex was all black. When the Siargao photo showed, and even the bench photo showed, that her hair was dyed
Colored.
medyo
Oo.
light brown.
Yes.
And we know naman nowadays, no, it's
Oo.
very easy to just download images of, someone with the same feature, the same hairstyle,
Exactly.
or a back part,
pwede mo na nga gawin yan, ma'am, sa
and then,
AI.
use
Miss Girl
AI
as
to
Alex
sort of
Manala.
manipulate those photos.
Oo.
That's the new normal now, no? Wala tayong magagawa. Kahit
Yes.
isa sa Siargao, no? I'm very curious bakit lumabas siya before to the fun run
din naman yung
when
itsura niya.
David was not spotted naman in the airport or any of the establishments there. And, when I asked the one who uploaded it, parang sinasabi niya na matagal na po yung videos na yon. Mga photos
Iba
niya
na
matagal
yan
na,
eh.
parang December siya. Kasi nung tinatanong ko, kailan ito, current ba to, hindi niya masagot, ayaw niya sagutin yung tanong. Kaya ako naman, curious lang ako, bakit lumabas lahat to before the fun run, pati yung sa Sobra Cafe Molito, it came out after the fun run. What's the reason behind that? Alam niyo kasi, marami pong lumalabas na ganito sa social media, and probably 90% of them are either edited or untrue. Kailangan mag-fact check. Siguro kaya ko rin lang to nilalabas kasi 'di ba prior to the fun run, nag-warn ang grupo nila Jim na may lalabas silang pasabog. And ngayon may nabasa na naman tayo sa COMSEC na sinasabi nila na may lalabas na naman silang pasabog habang nasa Jakarta si David. So medyo sana natin magkakaroon ng hocus-pocus na naman. Ngayon, yung sa bench, ako wala naman tayong magagawa. Mayroon pong uploader na original na talagang nandun sila. So wala naman tayong magagawa doon sa bench. Ano? Talagang it is what it is. No?
Hayaan
Yun na lang,
natin
ang
yung sa
blessing
bench.
dyan is finally, the whole world saw the parang a front shot or a whole shot, body shot of the girl finally, no? And you know, I'm not gonna make judgments, but at least, you know, we have our own opinion. So bahala na kayo. So yun lang naman, but I guess after this, we have to move on from this and, you know, brace
and
ourselves
tuloy
for
ang
new ones.
pagdagulan. Charis! At tuloy ang pagdagulan. Di ba, ma'am? Ganun lang yun, no? Ay, bakit andyan ako? Charis! Anyways, this is Kate Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!